Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to install the balloon garlands on the backdrop, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Hi! We will do the full setup for Akiran's first birthday party. My husband and my children are preparing the marquee letters while I'm preparing the balloons to install on the backdrop later. We will show you the process, the struggles, and the progress how to set up Akiran's first birthday party. As a team, we are helping each other while I'm letting my children to play. We are putting the light bulbs on the marquee letters. Not all the time our setup are smooth. There's sometimes that there's a short circuit and the electric is not working, so my husband needs to fix. My husband are almost finished putting the light bulbs on the marquee letters. If you observe, the first struggle that we had is the letter A. Some of the light bulbs is not working and there's a short circuit, so my husband needs to open the letters and fix it. At the same time, my baby is having fun, so I let it be. She loves roaming around and playing the balloons. Doing setup is not easy, especially if you have a small children. So I make it sure if I bring my children to set up, I let them play, help you, and let them enjoy so that it's easy for you and to finish your setup very quickly. And this is what looked like after my husband put all the light bulbs. To complete the setup of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star birthday party theme, we rent the backdrop to at the paper flower house. We will show you how to install the balloon garland properly on their backdrop. I gather all the balloons that I need and I make it sure that I have the 260Q so that it's easy for me to tie the balloon on the backdrop. You have to remember, when you're installing the balloon garlands on the backdrop, make it sure you use the hook, stick it at the back of the backdrop, then use your 260Q to tie it. I am installing the pastel green on the backdrop and I use the 260Q and tie it in the hook. Same process, I get the gold chrome and install it and put it at the top of the blue backdrop. I used pastel blue, pastel green, gold chrome, and white for this setup. Next, I get the pastel blue and tie it beside the gold chrome. After you tie the balloon on the backdrop at the back, make it sure you need to come in front and check it if it looks great. After I put the pastel blue, I get the pastel green and install it on the top of the yellow Twinkle Twinkle backdrop. After I tie the pastel green at the back, I went in front and fixed the pastel green if it looks and put properly on the correct spot. After I done the pastel green, I get the white balloon and put it beside the blue one. I always go to the back of the backdrop to tie the balloon and come back in front to place it properly. I always try the balloon first. If it looks good, And then, if it's okay, that is the time I'm gonna tie at the back of the backdrop. I'm almost done installing the balloon garlands on the backdrop. Please stand by and you will see what it's look like. On the left side, I am installing and putting the last piece of cluster sky blue balloons. Now it's time for me to work out on the right side. And then I'm putting the white balloons and tie it at the back of the backdrop using the 260Q. I add sky blue balloon and put beside the white one. Also, make it sure when you do the balloon garlands, you have to remember that always put all the balloons closer to you so that it's not hard when you get it. After done installing the upper part of balloon garlands, it's time for me to work on the bottom. So I keep adding more balloons on the bottom to make it more lavish and looks great. So far, this is what looks like the balloon garland on the backdrop. I am excited also what is the result after I put all the balloons on the backdrop. I keep adding the white balloons and also to make it sure that I won't gonna see the space. I also put mini stars and stick it on the balloon to complete the looks. After I done putting all the balloons on the backdrop, I prepare the moon crescent to put it in front of the balloon garlands to make it sure to complete the theme of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I hope you enjoy watching my mini tutorial on how to install the balloon garlands on the backdrop properly, and you get some ideas as well. If you have more questions, please comment down below. This is the finished setup of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, balloon garlands, and marquee letters lights up. Please don't forget to like and subscribe JB Marquee Letters. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!